Welcome. If you want to remove or delete the custom admin title from a group admin in Telegram Web on your PC using the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want a cleaner look for your group or need to reset admin roles, these steps will guide you through the process, quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to Telegram Web. Make sure you're logged in with the account that owns the group you want to manage. Only group owners have the ability to edit or remove admin titles for other administrators. Once you're in, find the group where you're the owner. Click on the group in your chat list to open it. At the top right of the group chat window, you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open the group options menu. From the drop-down, select Edit. This will take you to the group's settings page, where you can manage everything from group info to permissions. Now, look for the Administrators section and click on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the current admins in your group. Find the admin whose title you want to delete and click on their name. You'll now see their admin settings, including a field labeled Custom Title. To remove the title, simply delete any text that appears in this field. If there's already a custom title, clear it so the field is empty. Once you've done that, click Save to confirm your changes. The admin will now appear in the group without any custom title next to their name. That's it. You've successfully deleted the custom admin title for a group admin in Telegram Web on your PC. This simple process helps you keep your group looking tidy and professional, especially after the latest Telegram update. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with other group owners or admins who might need a quick refresher. Thanks for watching and happy managing.